Good morning, students. Let us continue chapter 6, molecular basis of inheritance, class 12. Okay, so in the previous class, we have discussed about the structure of nitrogenous bases and types of nitrogenous bases found in nucleic acids. Now, in this class, we will discuss about the type of sugar found in nucleic acids and the type of nucleosides found in nucleic acids and what are nucleosides. Okay, so let us see one by one. First one, the type of sugar found in nucleic acids. Okay, the sugar found in nucleic acid, the sugar found in nucleic acid, the sugar found in nucleic acid has 5 carbon atoms, and this sugar called carbon atoms called ribose sugar, called ribose sugar or deoxyribose sugar, ribose sugar or deoxyribose sugar. Okay, so you can say there are two types of sugars found in DNA and in nucleic acids sugars. There are two types. First one is known as ribose sugar. First one is known as ribose sugar and second one is known as deoxyribose sugar. Okay, deoxyribose sugar. Okay, ribose sugar found in RNA. Okay, and deoxyribose sugar found in DNA. Okay, so the type of sugar which is found in nucleic acid called ribose sugar or deoxyribose sugar having 5 carbons. Okay, and when the sugar is ribose sugar, then the type of nucleic acid is RNA, and when the sugar is deoxyribose sugar, then the type of nucleic acid is DNA. Now let us see the structure of ribose sugar and deoxyribose sugar and the molecular formula of ribose sugar and deoxyribose sugar. Okay, so when we draw the structure of ribose sugar, so it is pentagonal structure having 4 carbon and 1 oxygen in the ring. So these corners represent carbon atoms. Okay, and just we will put the one straight line around each carbon atoms. In the first, and we will number it 1, 2, 3, 4, and there will be 5th carbon this side. In the first carbon, we will write hydroxyl group upside and hydrogen atom downside. But in the second carbon, it is H and OH. Okay, third carbon again H and OH. In fourth carbon, H and CS2OH. Once again, first we will draw a pentagonal structure, and these corners and this ring structure contains the 4 carbon atoms. There is carbon atom, there is also carbon atom, carbon atoms and carbon atoms. In the first carbon atom, you will just put OH group upside and hydrogen down. But in the second one, H will be upside and OH down. Third one also again H upside and OH down. But in the last one, 5th carbon, H will be downside and CS2OH upside. Okay, and this is the structure of ribose sugar. Ribose sugar, it is found in RNA. So the name is ribonucleic acid. Now let us see the molecular formula of ribose sugar. So molecular formula, how many carbon atoms, how many hydrogen and how many oxygen. So let us see carbon atoms. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So molecular formula will be C5. Now we will count the hydrogen atoms. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So C5 has 10. Now you will count oxygen atom. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C5 has 10 O5. This is the molecular formula of ribose sugar. Now let us see second type of sugar, that is deoxyribose sugar. So again you will draw the pentagonal structure. Just all the structures are same, only different at carbon number 2. It deficient 1 oxygen. In this place only difference. When we compare these two sugars, we will differentiate at the second position. Okay, there is oxygen. Again, there will be straight line along each carbon atoms. Here we will write OH and H. Again, here we will write H, OH, just similar to the ribose sugar. Here also H, OH, and here H. There will be only H. There will be CH2OH. So only difference at carbon number 2. At carbon number 2, there is a deficiency of one oxygen at carbon number 2. Okay? All structures are same. Only difference at carbon number 2, it contains only hydrogen, not hydroxyl group. And numbering will be also same. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now this is the structure of deoxyribose sugar. Deoxyribose sugar. Okay? And it is found in DNA. When you will see the structure of DNA, you will find that this type of sugar is present. But when you will draw the structure of ribose sugar, you will find that this type of sugar present. Now see the Markov formula. Again, you will count all carbon atoms. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Carbon atoms are 5. Now let us continue oxygen atoms. Sorry, hydrogen atoms first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. SC5H10. Now let us continue oxygen atoms. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Only 4 oxygen atoms, that at least one oxygen is less. So this is the structure of ribose sugar and deoxyribose sugar. Okay? If any problem, you can ask in the comment box. I will give answer. Now let us see next. I have explained type of nitrogen bases and structure, type of sugar. Now let us see what are nucleosides and type of nucleosides. Nucleosides are the compounds that is formed by combination of a base and sugar. Okay, so what are nucleosides? Nucleosides, the component of nucleic acid, either DNA or RNA. The component of nucleic acid formed by combination of a nitrogenous base and pentose sugar, and that pentose sugar may be either ribose sugar, why pentose? Because it has 5 carbon, either ribose sugar or deoxyribose sugar is called nucleosides. Okay, and nucleosides further classified into 2 types. When it is found in DNA, it is called deoxyribonucleosides, and when it is found in RNA, it is called ribonucleosides. So nucleosides further classified into 2 types. When it is found in, there are 2 types. First one is called ribonucleosides. It is found in RNA. Second one is called deoxyribonucleosides. It is found in DNA. Okay, ribonucleosides found in RNA and deoxyribonucleosides found in DNA. Now let us see the name of ribonucleosides found in RNA and deoxyribonucleosides found in DNA. Okay, the nucleosides are of how many types? 2 types. Nucleosides are of 2 types. First one is known as ribonucleosides. and second one is known as deoxyribonucleosides. Okay, and the name of ribonucleosides in RNA, you know there are four bases except thymine, they may present. It is when the base is adenine is called adenosine, when the base is guanine is called guanosine, when the base is cytosine is called cytidine, and when the base is uracil is called uridine. You know thymine is absent, so only four bases possible and four ribonucleotides possible in RNA. Now in case of DNA, you know uracil is absent, so the name of ribonucleosides in deoxyribonucleosides will be, just will put deoxy word, deoxy adenosine. This is the nucleosides of adenine. Second word deoxycytidine, deoxycytidine. This is the nucleosides of cytosine. Third one deoxythymidine, deoxythymidine. This is the nucleoside of thymine. And last one deoxyguanosine. This is the nucleosides of guanine. So this is all about the structure of sugar found in nucleic acids and the name of nucleosides found in nucleic acids. In the next class we will discuss about the structure of nucleosides, both ribonucleosides and deoxyribonucleosides detail. Okay, thank you.